Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the different colored sheet and paste some glue all over it and start pasting it on another sheet. Now take another sheets and keep pasting it all over the sheets as it is shown in the video. Once you complete pasting the sheets, then take these small sheets and paste it all over. Now take another small sheets in the square or the rectangular way, paste it nicely and then draw some horizontal and vertical lines. Now take a clay and paste it over the edges of the windows we have made earlier and then spread it nicely. Now spread the clays on the sheets as it is shown in the video, complete it nicely all over it and then take a moon shaped sheet and then attach it on the another sheet. Now start making the stars out of the clay as it is shown in the video. Repeat the process nicely and your cute little drawings is done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and cut it into a shape of a heart. Now open it and then paste some tape on the opposite side as it will look like this. Then attach it on the sheet and then make another of it. Now take a green color sheet and then cut it nicely, then paste it. Now with the help of a black sketch pen, start making the small dots all over it and do it as it is shown in the video and it's done. For the next one, take a pear shaped like sheet and then attach it. Now start making the dots all over it and then paste the leaves out of it. Now take two sheets and then start folding it all together as it is shown in the video. It will look like this. Now make so many of it, attach it nicely on the pears as it will look like this and then attach it nicely. Do it as it is shown in the video and it's all done. It is looking great, right? For the next one, take a sheet and then attach another colored sheet all upon it. Now take it all together and then number it as it is shown in the video from 1 to 12. Now with the help of a black sketch pen, start making the seeds like structure all over it. Now take another two sheets and then make the hole in it and then on the another edges, make the cuts out of it as it will start looking like this. Attach it in the middle and then put some accessories all over it and it's all done. It's a cute little clock. For this one, take the sheets of a given size. Now take each sheet and start pasting it the edges as it is shown in the video. Paste it very nicely and gently. Now paste it all. Now take another sheet and then paste it nicely as it will start looking like this. Paste it into half and then take another sheet and paste it all over it nicely and gently. Now take another sheet and then cut it into half or now fold it and then start pasting the eyes all over it and it's all done. For this one, take a sheet and make the lines cut it out. Now with the help of a knife, start rolling it as shown in the video and then attach it all together. Now take another sheet and put it on the middle. Now make the small cuts on the bottom of it with the help of a scissor and then fold it very nicely. Attach it from the bottom and then put some cute little candies all over it. It's done. For this, take some stripes of a sheet. Now take each sheet and then put some glue on the tip of it and then fold it nicely as it is shown in the video. Now take another sheet and then put some glue on it and fold it nicely and then take the another sheet and fold it on the another sheet. Now repeat the process very nicely and gently with the alternatives color of a sheet. Keep it and it will look like this. Now take the sheet and then paste the shape and it's done. Thanks for watching.